Dermody, I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to flush your dog or cat's ears. First of all, if you or I were going to go to our physician to have our ears checked, he or she would use a very similar instrument that we use in dogs and cats. The difference is the cone would be much shorter, because in humans the eardrum is very close to the external opening. It's really easy for them. They can just look in and say, okay, you've got an ear infection, you don't have an ear infection. It's not that easy in pets. For example, this is just a model of a dog or cat ear. This is the external opening, right here, and there's a vertical canal, horizontal canal, before you get to the eardrum. Because of this, it's more difficult to get a good air exchange in the animal's ears than it is in ours, because by that I mean the air that comes in here and gets to the eardrum. One of the reasons is, because of the long canal, it tends to collect wax and moisture. And that is a great medium for bacteria and yeast. So ear infections are really pretty darn common in dogs and cats. Dogs that have floppy ears even have more of an opportunity to get infections because the ear is down, they even have less of a drying effect here. So, to clean the ears, you want to use a really good ear flush. One that, some actually, like this one, will actually kill some bacteria and yeast, so it's a good preventative. It has a good drying agent. This one has salicylic acid, others are alcohol. There's several drying agents. The reason that's important, you want something that will kind of wick up that moisture in the canals to keep the canal environment dry, and again, that's a good preventative for ear infections. So how you do it, first of all, because of the vertical and horizontal canal, you want to kind of lift up that ear. Hold it vertically, okay? That'll kind of straighten that canal. And then right down in here is where the opening is for the vertical canal. So what you do, you can put plenty in there. You just pour it in, and then you massage the base of the ear. You can hear it. It actually feels good, even when they have an ear infection. No matter how sore they are, they usually really like it when you massage that canal because the ear is inflamed and it's itchy. So after you do that, just continue to hold the ear. And what you need is to get cotton balls at home. And you just wipe this out. Now when I let go, he'll most likely shake his head. And usually they'll shake their heads a lot more vigorously than that, especially because they've got an ear infection, it's a little irritated. And what you're trying to do is get them to shake their head vigorously enough that some of the wax will come out, okay, right out of that ear canal. And then you can just, again, wipe it out, and then you go to the next ear. Let's just do one more, the other ear. One more. Well, there are only two. Grab me some cotton. Okay, just wipe it out.